ano ema na fi wie ni sa na apena na yedwade aka ndi agum ni asore so.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Happy birthday, Pastor Gideon Aye, also was Solid Rock Chapel, Domit Branch. Sister Sandy B, a guy.
Nah, I ain't smiling today.
Oh, why? What happened?
I ain't smiling today. I entered the studio and I saw cake all over. Because I never even saw why their baby, the idea, Johnny, be soon as I Minidi.
Sorry about that, baby.
Minidi.
We'll sort you out when we're done.
Nah,
right?
but you looking dope. No, I like your Snickers. This Snickers, or what do I call it?
Yeah, it is.
This is Wallaby.
No.
What's the name? I have to learn.
It is a Snicker, all right, but it's an Uncle High. You know what I mean?
Uncle High. So I call it Snicker Uncle High. But I won't try my dear. I won't say. Now, Ovini, my Ovinchile.
Oh, man.
Meaning, money and a man. I won't share me. My guy. What's that? The Uncle High Snickers.
Yeah.
Okay, so your normal Snickers, your Uncle High.
Yeah.
All right, I get that. So when I'm wearing Uncle High and always be thankful to you, but so mine I did.
Okay.
Minim say na dia birthday Johnny Bisu.
Sorry about that. So next time we will wait for you. Right?
Cake bisu on my time. Mo bi encha cake me so. Where dey we am for cake ni nyame. Na bright saying. Why if I like what you wearing.
Aye.
Why if no nephew. Ya ka dem function.
Sister no.
Aye, brand Hey. Now one say there air koso.
Enu ye dey wey.
See me baby. Na me hu na boro. Aye video bi a chese walk kemu a wo ma warning. Me ma mani so a warning no short na ekọ here ekọ SM camp.
Hey.
Yes see abrantie bi.
Etoko okofa ba.
What the hurst me mini ho hu me. Ba je hu me. Mini ha. Mini ha. Hu me kra nya me amesama ya. Eti ntokwa Iboro wo cocaine. This table that you are shaking and Aboro. Hey, and it's saying was say Shatawale. Sani abraje ka Shawale yesi abrantie bi de kwaku smoke. Ya wotonyum na boro no akwala bisa. Ma hu beta na nyum bi kwaku smoke mate one sa akode enyum bisa o ta abopa. Bata minim so ne boy ne ya na mete sese ye ne nyum. Ne yesi enyum bi aboy ne boy sese Shatawale akwa according to kwaku smoke no. Kwaku smoke no say Shatawale wi ananyum. Ba say all try na mini studio ho. Enyem na man lyrics menye beat maker means me confirm no. When because this table they are shaking but we are not here. We are not here. And say boy ne kwa cancer Shatawale say na de kono to no so wakowi ananyum aba o wi ai. Iti Shawale akopapa boy no car windscreen. What do you call that? Yeah, windscreen. That's what Papa no. Uhum pictures now is not really looking good.
Wow.
Shadanya guys, and another boro atia. One video. Benz. No that time for you know they play like that.
It's smash.
One that time my boys no mu edo mu ntwika biasa, mu twika and I'm quite so to
What's
say boy in the car no.
Charlie.
And another boro say Shatawale won't me fan man no ain't share once. Tana boro person just Shatawale o ye hwan anti wo so hu okrom ha so obi antimi ntia wo. Tana boro da sorry I know so ba betia wale. Wa ye warning video cry. Me no ka say. What they tia no just me ba betia wo. Enti na boro man ho so a o person just wo wale as obi antimi nka wa asem bo no boro no. O be chell say oya ye won master. Ewo ho nti say current beefer cookie enya me kra make a show.
I just say eno ya Shawale and B Rose.
Yeah, B Rose.
Okay.
Baby if we dey mu adin obi be ka say Wale Kra street. Obi so be ka say B Rose so tema ho bi nip dey boy ni o.
No, but B Rose nya botre.
Sa ho.
You see tema. But to kwa bi wa akofa ba.
Tema phone so sa.
You see that thing. What I say? I say tema boys no. Ibu ye ho pa ne ade nti ade bi wa akoya because the reason why I make can say
yeah
anka Wale na anka sa munu kwa onnya beef no kwa kenya hwi but
SM for no
yo ansa no beti ase anka so na enema akachiri we am say bureaus
yo tamakasem
o me fancy
kasem na wo no say akoya against them versus
o me fancy ya we o me nkwani
me say tema where the tema yes say no me na mo kase ese moto we ajamia ni manne ho ahwam wale fo ni na abo ho na omo ko ti baje o papa won simu ntam na fa ka che ache wo bia yi so
hwa na me nkoda da so ma na me
ti fa ho nkojim papa bills fa ho nkojim mamu ngem hota my boys my boy fum go nkojim Monday mi hia mo ha say enti na e koso but obi bisa say adena na boro no afa ntokwa ne world cup e ko ama kwakusu
abi the boy being boy so send
the boy to okay nana be the boy na a video okay enti Jerry
he has that or type question to studio
okay but then ejim but then be
I said no okay
okay
so that be
no but maybe they say NOB can on Facebook see George Seto was a court case pending and more adding up cases soon ending him in jail boy brown na Troy what you say me na me kan but wo and I will Troy say pa na me so me hu bra into them yen wo so na ntokwa by Monday me baby a ehura kodura na ma heba me sremo entokwa na dos we industry no me no nka say entokwa part 2 na me koso wow versus family 500 Ghana and I make us because Jerry industry already so Nigeria for boy omo 500 Ghana $1 see this 500 Ghana nti wow we video why did family atem a wo bra asam na me kan awo we check my flow wabedi wo akole oba industry ye nyina ye so mu je wa tu oba industry ye nyina ye support o suddenly akra na ya hantan bi a ba je me gye ho a menim kokokro kodi a afa na adwemu sa humility we are so born has na nyame ama oso nti awa to bu nyini ndru ba bia uju hu dey it's okay to feel confident but do it in the right way only family 500 Ghana also o ma family sika se o twanyu meet family mfam o mu nyina akodu location o mu body ma menti akwa pimpulo ho ahwani o mu nyina egu ho twa family amenti no family anya dey you anywhere I see I go take my money I swear na me say but 500 bra ubufu kra mama Jerry ai mobile money bra ma twa mpeka makakra ubufu mama Jerry chia 500 Ghana na ma sisi a what you say ba no kwa mama fa nko me meje na meti he mama de asam ho akoma wa ye de ne ka industry come industry ya ye she den hu ye ho anu we say mo sore a na mo ye video na we ya blast na we say but ade ba kwa realizing it's not healthy
nah no
na bra mpacho ni bibi me call boy no comment section mu na ya awa no me hu se ko musuo nso na em say ya aka ne ho family amanfo ke kasa onyai sa because me call comment section him na me say men who kwa nipa be 5 obi si so no ide obi si so no e take do hwan obi si so no e take do me na say as a man for testimony ba out enti akoya sa so wudi adanse obi so papa me so me sa enti akoya family ni sune ne ban enti family we personal advice am dey ma o say onua em say ye bo odin do bra we talented o tonyoma wasigu ye o so tobo na sa ohwe na agege amanfo sika na wonya ejai munu baby a Jerry na moti ha se obede celebrate 10 years 15 years R2B mo celebrate 15 years or bra for 20 years pa mu kan wa bi wanum se densu na wo ka bi na ka so fiti bra kopa na obaye or bra for ye wanim sa reho sa na de montna honya bra me keke ne Friday because ya doso
o ka wadre
ame mo mbo kakra nkra hu sa o ma me permission ametie me ko me fellow pa me brat am into media cha but still when him say question mark what na be bufu pa because as a the industry no e agro do enter na no me can say before investors will take us serious na ache because the beba out you say kwa dey say e na edigu yeso no omo senye na yeah sure mo friend girls are
omo di be friend
girls no dey shosha ne sen oni say be life man for na no de na uzu sinitwani esine soso na wa fe ne sono na mse we abaya life like asi yare mama sorry nko me ko bisanyam so Adum TV me free here share me Adum TV sisi na menko yeah I think Obi said this our guy is not serious. He's very young and he needs to respect. We know that but penyin so bu na kolembu ba wow seriously your pride is getting out of hand. I was so bu ade na ade makan fabra how better woje
now saying sex pics are dance and I go man.
Okay, so young fast dano Emma for me And then you
That when me hit me come out of here.
Yep. Fast down. Unidos long love condom.
Take break.
A patrol condom we know.
Advantage.
A bois a prolonged sexual excitement. No. So what I say now, I did the prevention of premature ejaculation.
DST.
Oh, dear me.